Are you looking for the best off-road electric skateboard? In this video we will look at some of the best off-road electric skateboard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Isinwheel V8. When we look for longboards, it is often perplexing to choose the perfect one for all kinds of terrain. Regular longboards are not suitable for people who prefer to ride almost every day. Isinwheel V8 is different in the market that will give you high performance on variety of surfaces, be it your neighborhood, campus area, or any rough grounds. Most of the time, making turns on regular longboards is difficult, and often we lose control and fall. But with Isinwheel V8 all-terrain electric skateboard, you can make swift turning without facing any problem. The 600-watt dual brushless motors provided with this product do the work precisely. It also has 105mm all-terrain wheels that ensure complete grip over rough surfaces. These wheels will also ensure a top-notch speed with less push than usual. Number 2. Jking Mars. Nowadays, slimline design skateboards have become very popular in the market. Jking Mars electric longboard is most probably the best cheap electric off-road skateboard in the market. The deck is measured to be only 0.8 inches thick. With this thickness, it is quite impossible to think that the main battery is built inside the board. It is to mention that thick deck cannot ensure full safety. Jking Mars budget electric longboard have two 1650W powerful motors and can speed up to 25 miles per hour. That's a great feature in the case of a cheap electric longboard, but it can do the job efficiently for which it had been designed. Number 3. RALDEY Carbon at V2. The high-spec features and the solid design of the RALDEY at V2 electric skateboard will ensure that you have a smooth off-road ride. This board's 1500*2 3000W dual belt driven motor is able to carve in grass, dirt, or mud, and you can also enjoy a high-speed ride downhill. The remote-controlled braking system works like a charm when you're going downhill. The board is quite lightweight and it weighs only about 23.5 lbs. The double drop deck of the board is constructed with 100% Japanese T700 carbon fiber to absorb vibration and provide great stability during rides. The PhD graphic makes the board highly attractive and gives an aesthetic touch to it. It features 195mm/165mm airless honeycomb-style solid rubber tires with all-terrain skate trucks. The largers are the signature feature of RALDEY at V2 electric skateboard, as they offer superior comfort during the rides. It also includes for types of different riding and braking modes that ensures that it will stay put no matter how rough the terrain is. The honeycomb-style solid rubber tires, which sits on 10 double kingpin wide trucks, makes it an excellent choice for entry-level riders, as they can have better control of the board. Number 4. Atom 95X Mountain Board. Another non-electric off-road board that has gained popularity in the market is Atom 95X Mountain Board. For newcomers, this budget board has become very admirable. This board is also a top choice for people who are regular on an off-road expedition. It has a unique and robust design that comes with a 9-ply maple wood curved deck. The exceptional inflatable tires have a firm grip that makes it different and suitable from other skateboards in the market. The Atom 95X Mountain all-terrain board should be your priority for a fun off-road experience on poor terrain surfaces, as the wheels have a Beck 9 bearings that provide swift and fast turning. The most impressive factor of this longboard is its endurance. It can hold up to 500 pounds that are quite impossible for other skateboards in the market. Overall, this product is ideal for mountain boarding, cruising roads, and other sporting actions.